What is going on, digital millionaires? It's Jasmine Monet, and I am back with another must-watch video for all of my online business owners out there. Today, we're going to be diving into something that can seriously change the game for you. We're going to be talking about automating your online business in 2025. If you are feeling overwhelmed by managing leads, customer interactions, and all the daily tasks that come with running a business, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how automation can help you streamline your sales process, save time, which we all need because time is money, and ultimately increase your profit. Let's go. Before we jump in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because we're going to always be dropping gems on how to scale your business with automation and systems. Now, let's kick this off by talking about why you need to automate your online business. People talk about this word automating. What does this mean? I need to automate. I need to make money while I'm sleeping, right? We're all talking about that. Automation isn't just about making your life easier. It's about making your business more efficient. So imagine having tools that handle lead generation, customer follow-ups, and sales tracking, all while you're focusing on your business. So lead generation, right? The lead generation process, I'm not going to go into it in this video, but I just want to make sure you understand. The lead generation process is A to Z. It is from the time that a lead comes in the door all the way through until they spend some money with you. Then when it comes to your customer follow-ups, that could be that you had a call with somebody and maybe they weren't a fit at that time. It could be after a phone call you have with them, you nurturing them, sending them your newsletter, those different types of follow-ups. It could be someone DM'd you, right? Who has somebody that DMs them? Or what if you're busy that day and you get 50 DMs? You know what I mean? So those are just examples there. And then sales tracking, like how much revenue you had in the queue, how much are you projected to make, right? You should be able to know those numbers. How much are you making right now, right? Having all of those things running while you're able to actually focus on running your business. What I will also say to that is, before we even get to the automation, the systems come first. So some people think, well, I'm just going to automate and I'm good to go. That is not how it works. And even before the systems come strategy. So you have to have a strategy, you know what you're doing. So if you're a coach and you want to sell a course, you have a process for that. You have a system for that. For example, McDonald's has a system. It is a live in-person system. It's not a back-end system, but for every system you have an automation and complement it. So with McDonald's, they have it to the T. You come through the drive-thru, they have how much time they flip the burgers, they have everything in place. So that's the same thing, right? So I'm gonna give you another example. Picture yourself running a service-based business. You're a coach or a consultant, something similar. Without automations, you may spend time, which we just talked about, you may spend manual time reaching out to leads, following up, scheduling appointments. But with automation in place, with strategy, systems, and automation in place, you can literally set up the systems to automatically send out follow-up emails and reminders so that you can free up your time to focus on strategy and closing deals, because that is where you should be spending your time. So I always tell people it's either an automation problem or a delegation problem. So you can hire somebody and or use a current team member or hire a team member to manage your DMs, or you can have an automation do it. They can type the word systems and then they automatically receive a message in their inbox or somebody can, manually send them that message, if that makes sense. All right, so when it comes to some of the top automation tools, when it comes to your sales process in 2025, I am a huge fan of all-in-one platforms, especially for startup businesses. Why? Because we need you not focus on the things that you don't need to focus on, that you don't know anything about. When I first started my business many, many years ago, I was working with businesses that had several different systems they were using to make their business go, right? And what I found over the years is that they had all these systems in place. Number one, they were spending a lot of money that they really didn't have. Number two, they really didn't understand the functionality of each system that they were paying for. And number three, none of the systems were talking to each other. Let's talk about a quick process. Let's say I'm a coach and I want to send people to like my link tree in my bio on my Instagram page, right? And then from there, I want them to book a call. So that's just an example. Well, what I was finding was that the systems weren't talking. So when people commented the word systems, right, they never got a DM. And of course, they didn't have a team member in place for that. So that's gap number one. Gap number two, I would go to the link tree and I click the schedule a call button and the button wasn't working. Okay, those are just examples, but that's what I was finding over time. So I knew that there had to be a solution for startup businesses, right? And I'm like, where's the all-in-one that can do all the things, the sales, the automation, something that they can scale and grow with? And so we're going to talk a little bit about the top automation tools for sales, right? So number one is Go High Level. I'm a huge fan of Go High Level. I've been a fan from day one, and I have put a lot of my clients over the years on Go High Level. It's an all-in-one platform. It is designed for small businesses. It absolutely is. It includes your CRM, which is your customer relationship management system, right? That's like the brains of your business. We talked about that in another video. You can do email and SMS marketing in there. You can build your funnel in there, appointment scheduling, and a plethora of other things. It literally helps you to automate your lead generation through landing pages, capture forms. We want to capture that data, right, from our lead. And it also allows you to nurture leads with automated follow-ups. So we just talked about that and how important follow-ups actually is. It's perfect for those looking to streamline their entire sales process without juggling multiple tools. Again, I have seen what can happen for a startup business that is juggling multiple tools and they don't know what they're doing. Okay? Number two would be HubSpot. HubSpot is great. I have used it. I used it before I used Go High Level. So this platform, it offers a suite of automation tools that can enhance your lead generation and sales processes. I would say that HubSpot is stronger to me when it comes to that, right? So if you're somebody that has a sales team, HubSpot sometimes can be more preferred. Now, I have seen success with Go High Level as well. This is just some examples I'm giving you that I've used with clients. With HubSpot, you can set up automated email sequences, create tasks based on lead interactions. What that basically means is, let's say someone DMs the word systems. I may want to create a task to follow up with them in 7 days or to call them or something like that, right? So I'm setting up a task based off of what they do. If they click a link in an email, if they do this, if they go here, right? Those type of things. Tracking customer engagement, all from one dashboard. So like I said, I like HubSpot, and you can customize the dashboard too. It's robust reporting features. That is what makes HubSpot HubSpot. It helps you really analyze the effectiveness of your sales strategies, making it a top choice for online businesses. Yes, HubSpot is amazing. It is totally amazing. Okay? Last on my list, number 3 would be ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign was the first tool that I was using to help people with their email marketing and all the things. Before HubSpot, before Go High Level, I was using ActiveCampaign and ClickFunnels back in the day, right? And then when Kajabi came out, I had a lot of people that, were doing the online courses. This was like 2017, 2018. So I was moving people to Kajabi, and then they had ActiveCampaign for their email marketing, but their course was in Kajabi. So ActiveCampaign is really good, but last but not least, let's talk about it. This is an all-in-one tool. They have improved their features over time, which I really like. It has the CRM piece and marketing automation. It helps you create those personalized sales funnels. You can automate follow-up emails based on user behavior, manage leads through the pipeline, and segment your audience for targeted messaging. That is so important. ActiveCampaign is ideal for businesses looking to enhance their customer relationships and drive conversions. We're all looking to enhance our customer relationship, and ultimately we should all be focused on creating the best client experience that we can. Okay, so let's look at a live example with Go High Level. So a local marketing agency that I work with here locally in Dallas, they implemented Go High Level to manage their clients' lead generation efforts. So with that, they were able to automate their follow-up sequences, which led to a 30% increase in lead conversions within a few months. So I want you to understand what that means. You can't, as an entrepreneur, you're wearing 50 hats. You can't be everywhere at any given time. Something's going to fall through the cracks. It's like, when you first get started, you may be able to handle it, but over time, you're just not going to be able to handle it, right? So the follow-up and nurturing is so important. So when it comes to follow-up, that is one of the missing pieces that a lot of people leave on the table. Seriously, they leave a lot of money on the table. The power is in the follow-up. So their 30% increase in lead conversions means 30% more people are paying them money. They're paying them more money within just a couple of months. 30%. 30%. I want you to take your numbers that you have now and add 30% to that. And who wouldn't want that? Who doesn't want a 30% increase? When it comes to Go High Level's funnel builder, they were able to create high converting landing pages, and that was able to help capture their leads and integrate seamlessly into their CRM that they had, right? Which, remember, CRM is customer relationship management system. Like this example with this marketing agency here in Dallas that I worked with, they were able to transform their sales process and literally drive business growth just from getting that tool, which is so key, right? We have talked about different ways to automate your online business sales processes in 2025. Don't be the one that does not implement this or put this in place, or don't be the one that doesn't ask questions. Whether you are just starting out or you're looking to scale, these tools can definitely help you manage your sales more effectively. And remember, the right automation can save you time, reduce stress, and boost your bottom line. But last but not least, help you to provide an exceptional client experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on growing your business. I'll see you in the next video.